Hi everyone! Today is Christmas Eve, which means we are almost done with our LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. But on the bright side, we get to build gifts today, which is good because I should be wrapping gifts. Oh well. Hey, we have a lot of pieces today. This is like a Harry Potter poly bag or something. Alright, so it looks like we have some Gryffindor colors right now. We're going to put these together and make a broomstick. But then we also have pieces that are in the colors of Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin. So I think that means there's someone in each of the houses who was well behaved enough to receive a gift from Santa this year. Probably not Draco Malfoy. Alright, so let's keep building this broomstick. Look at the little note. Oh, that's cute. You know, it must be really hard to try to wrap a broomstick. That would be the kind of present you just leave out and hope for the best, I think. Okay, so this broomstick is pretty clearly in Gryffindor colors. We have the maroon, we have the gold, and at the very bottom we are rounding our broomstick off, and look how cute it is. Let's compare it to Harry and look at size. Okay, so it's longer than him, taller than him, but it seems to be about the right length for if you were to actually write this in minifigure scale, so that's kind of cool. Alright, time to wrap some presents. So we have a Slytherin present in green and silver, with, I guess this is a bow, but it doesn't look like a bow, it looks like a robot hand. In fact, all of them have bows like this. Alright, sorry, I had a little technical issue there. And now we will make a Ravenclaw present, but this one is not in the book colors. It is in the movie colors of blue and silver. It looks nice next to the Slytherin colors. I'm glad we have different shapes. That's nice. Kind of differentiate between these. And then Hufflepuff, which is the biggest present, of course, because we love our Hufflepuff friends. And the bow on the end. And the standard house colors. Okay, so those are our presents, one for each of our 4 houses. And, you know, the presents that belong to the houses that are not Gryffindor are kind of boring. And then whoever's in Gryffindor gets a broomstick. I think we're showing a little bit of favoritism here, but that's okay. This is the Harry Potter world. This is how we do it. Gryffindor wins everything. All right, everyone, I hope you come by tomorrow for Christmas Eve. I hope we get something good. I hope a lot of things. Until we build again, I'll see you then.